The end of the world is approaching, and we have just realized the importance of environmental conservation. Human beings globally are answering the call to save our Earth. With the continuous onset of various diseases, we start to be concerned about our health and precious life. Detoxification in healthcare is something that should not be taken lightly by modern-day people. The Earth environment is important, so is our physical health. Besides, a more crucial fact is often being neglected by us. It's a place which needs to stay environmental friendly. The dark and narrow vagina in the female body leads us to the origin of life. Every precious human life in the world is born here. This origin of life has created countless precious lives, generation after generation. However, many people, especially women, often neglect in taking care of this origin of life. A woman's youthfulness, complexion and skin are directly associated with the vagina, uterus and the endocrine system. How can women look good and feel great? It should start from the vagina secretion. Vagina secretions means leukorrhea. Normal discharge look whitish, mushy and odorless. Colorless sticky vagina discharge, commonly seen after estrogen treatment among patients of ovary granulosa cell tumor. Purulent vagina discharge, yellowish or yellowish-green, carries a foul odor, most likely infected with trichomonas and pyogenic bacteria. Foamy purulent vagina discharge, commonly seen with trichomonas vaginatus, endometritis, intrauterine empyema, and presence of foreign body in the vagina, etc. Bean curd residue-like vagina discharge, a symptom of candidal vaginitis, often comes with vulvar itching. Cream-like vagina discharge, infected with Gardnerella, carries a foul odor. Yellowish watery vagina discharge, tissue necrosis may lead to hysteromyoma, cervical cancer, endometrial cancer, cancer of the fallopian tube, etc. Bloody vagina discharge, stained with blood and foul odor, should be extra cautious as it may lead to malicious tumors such as hysteromyoma, cervical cancer, endometrial cancer, cervical polyp, senile vaginitis, chronic cervicitis, etc. The pH of normal vagina discharge ranges from 4 to 4.5. The vagina bacilli turns the glycogen to lactic acid, keeping the pH at the normal level. Pathogens and trichomonas consume glycogen. When there is less lactobacillus in the vagina, the pH value will rise, causing various kinds of vaginitis. Therefore, we need to increase the number of good bacteria in the vagina. The estrogen level in the underage girls and menopausal women may decline. The vagina pH may be as high as 7 or so, increasing the risk of vaginitis. According to a report from internationally acclaimed gynecologists, there are more than 20 types of harmful bacteria in the vagina. These harmful bacteria may cause cancer of the uterus, prostatitis and prostate gland proliferation among the male, which is caused by infection of Trichomonas vaginatus. Dear ladies, if you care for your better half, you should care more for yourself. It is every woman's responsibility to maintain proper vagina health. If you neglect the health of your vagina, your better half may become the victim of prostatitis due to infection of those vicious bacteria. Any woman approaching the age of menopause may be troubled by unspeakable worries such as vagina dryness and loose vagina muscle. This may cause problems to their sexual life, affecting the passion and intimacy amongst couples. Dare not tell, dare not ask, or dare not encounter face to face. The vagina and uterus in female body are places where human life is formed. It is also the source of unexpressed anxiety, adding much worries and fears to all women in the world. Bacterial infection, sexually transmitted diseases, decline antibacterial function, lack of probiotic, excessive leukorrhea, vagina muscle loosen, abnormal secretion, hysteromyoma and tumor, unbalanced pH, itching and swelling, dryness in vagina, foul odor, decreased libido. Now with Ladypo-Feminine-Hygiene-Care, all women in the world can say goodbye to their woes and worries. Enriched with antiseptic herbal ingredients, Ladypo rapidly kills off all harmful bacteria in the vagina. After treatment with Ladypo, the number of harmful bacteria declines considerably, while the number of good bacteria increases significantly. With molecular extraction, separation and reconfiguration technology, the active ingredients will rapidly penetrate into the skin and capillaries, stimulate and invigorate the vaginal cells, remove all foreign bodies and toxins in the vagina, constrict the vagina, making it firmer and tighter. Exclusive biochemical lubricants to moisturize the vagina, prevent dryness, promote normal secretion in the vagina, restore the youthful charm among the menopausal women. Unique features of Ladypo: quickly kills and inhibits harmful vagina bacteria, increases the number of good bacteria in the vagina, extracted from a selection of natural herbs, biochemical technology, internationally advanced molecular extraction, separation and reconfiguration technology. No chemical disinfectant, hormone or any other prohibited ingredients added. 100% alcohol-free, soap-free. Product liability insurance worth 2 million ringgit. Registered with Ministry of Health Malaysia. Certified halal in Malaysia and Asia. Exclusive French formula. Ladypo brings happiness back to life's origin. Women all over the world will enjoy the freedom they deserve, shake off their worries as they regain a healthy, colourful, confident lifestyle, develop enhanced intimacy between husband and wife, while savouring joy in their sexual and spiritual life.